Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word parquet. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The gymnasium floor was made of beautiful parquet wood that gave the room a sophisticated and elegant look. Parquet refers to a decorative flooring pattern made by arranging small strips or pieces of wood in a geometric design, often seen in elegant or upscale spaces. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.